I'm Gwen Garcelon, and I've been working with communities for decades on some of the really complex challenges we face: poverty, climate change, racial discrimination. And what I'm noticing is an uptick of concern for the ability of communities to hold together in the face of these increasing stress points. I was talking with Chief of Police in Carbondale, Kirk Wilson, and he shared that the daily trauma is real. We're losing caring, compassionate officers because they're aware of the toll this job takes on themselves. This project is about those people in our communities here in the Roaring Fork Valley: the police officers, teachers, social workers, firefighters, mental health therapists. These are the people who hold our communities together and are in the greatest need of complementary wellness supports like trauma therapy and acupuncture or sound healing to soothe stressed out nervous systems. We have an abundance of these extraordinary wellness practitioners here in the Valley, and we have an abundance of need for their services from those who aren't typically able to access them. So we're creating a way to bridge that gap. Sonja, you know so well the need for this project, and I'd love for you to share what you're observing in the community.
Thanks, Gwen. After decades of standing beside people, standing beside our teachers, our social workers, our first responders, our family members who are trying so desperately to keep themselves inspired and well as they serve our community, what I hear over and over again is that they're stretched. They're stretched so thin and they are so exhausted. And oftentimes, the services that you described are not being provided through the traditional channels. It's difficult to find a way to pay for some of these services that are so useful and so well researched and supported now. So from my perspective and the perspective of many of the folks that I have stood beside for many years, the need for an easy, simplified, and affordable way to access, to reduce stigma, to be able to find the needs and the practitioners and the programs that will soothe folks and help keep them in this work is a critical way that we can serve our valley and the region. Making these things affordable and easy to access for the people who need them the most is so important, and we need a mechanism, and it needs to be simple. When you're that exhausted and can barely keep yourself in the game, it is critical for us to wrap our arms around those who continue to serve, and we need to serve our servants and put the control for their own self-care into their hands.
Yeah, thank you. So please read more about this below and give whatever you can so we can build this portal that will keep money and healing connections circulating within our communities so we can nurture the wellness of those who hold everything together. And this will be available to everyone as well. So thank you so much.